we're gonna dumb that down for you and teach you something really cool. Go to Walmart, go to a hardware store, anything, and get you a 12 by 18 baking pan. And cut a little further out because I love that blonde, how it hits. This is all gonna be dark. We left some of that blonde in there on purpose so it gives it more of a look. Here's this one. The reason these still look different, this, all we did was cut it. This has already been sanded with 100. All right, so look, if you did all that correctly, here's where we are at, okay? Single piece, remember 150 all the way around, including the edges and sides. Set this right in the middle part where it's supposed to be, right there. Now look, start at the bottom of the pan and push to the wall. Bottom of the, take this one up, walk it across just like that, and dig it with pulling this back right into the sidewall. Are just gonna go right in. And see, you can see it already starting to chemically mix. Transfer this. We're going to start right here about halfway. Then we're going to switch over to our next one. We just want to make sure that we have enough to spread throughout. If we have any extra, okay, we're going to set that to the, here comes the first one. All right, check that out. Now we're going to take one of the other ones. That was the copper infusion, okay? This is the red copper. It's a gorgeous color. We're going to set that red copper right down in there. Watch this. Get down on here, Tom. Let's see the action. Here we go. See, we're gonna let that sucker right across the sides. I'm gonna grab this right here and come on down. So depending on how deep you put the stick, depending on how light, we're just not trying to tag that edge, but keep in mind, it don't really matter. We're just not trying to do a bunch of damage. Once we get look at that, Tom, we got a cake. So look at that. Stir it. This is what you're looking for. When you can get that type of action out of your jar, you know you're ready, okay? So we are ready. Tiny little circles. Out. Yeah, see, that's what I was talking about with that edge work. But look at that guy. That's what we're talking about. Look at that. So, I mean, this piece is fun. And to prove that to you, look. Look at that. We love that look. So there is the top. We wanted. So look, check it out. We're on Facebook and YouTube promoting how to do epoxy for free. Just follow along or subscribe, either one. Over 260 videos to help you do epoxy. Check them out. You won't be sorry.